Are you a marketing team that wants to get started with Agile and you wonder how do you do planning in the right Agile way? Then this video is for you. My name is Anka. I'm an Agile coach specialized in scaling Agile, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a sprint planning inside your marketing team. Let's get started. Earlier in this channel, I made a video of what are the meetings that you need to have as a marketing team that is just getting started with Agile. I link it up there so you can check it. Sprint planning is one of the meetings that we need to have inside our marketing teams. If you are just getting started with Agile, I do recommend you have this meeting every Monday morning. You meet with all your team and you define what you are going to accomplish in that particular week. The right way of doing sprint planning is that you start with a goal. What do you aim to achieve inside your marketing team on that particular week? The goal should not be tasks. The goal should be we need to release one video on our YouTube channel, no matter what. Once you define your objective, then you look on the backlog, and if you don't know how to define your backlog, I made a video for you on how you can define your backlog inside your team. And you are going to pick the things that are most important that help you to achieve this objective that you just set. If it doesn't help you to achieve the objective, then you can forget about it. And while we are doing this exercise, we realize that there are a lot of things that we need to do that are not helping with our objectives, but they are urgent. If you're just getting started with Agile inside your marketing team, then add these things inside your weekly planning, but we are going to learn to minimize this kind of tasks. We don't want to rush behind things that are urgent, but they are not helping us strategically. We want to start to bring in our Monday plannings the things that are strategically important for us. So take those things that are urgent, bring them inside your planning, but make sure that you also add the things that are strategic. We added the strategic things, we made what we would like to achieve. Now what we will do is to define all the subtasks that we need to do, and we don't care for the moment who is responsible of them. Just define everything that needs to be done. Remember the definition of done. You can review it inside your meeting, and acceptance criteria of your user stories. For this meeting to be a bit more efficient, everyone can pick up a story and can detail it, or you can start to have templates, standard tasks. Like you always need to proofread, you always need to schedule, you always need to upload content. All of that can become a standard task that you can use with your project management tool. If you are just getting started, tendency is that you are overcommitting. Now that you have created all your subtasks, look on your week, try to define weekly goals. Like, well, Monday, today we're going to achieve that. Tomorrow we'll try to get that done. The day after we'll achieve that, and on Friday we will be there. That will give you a rough idea if you are overcommitting. With the time, you will learn better on when to commit for what. You'll get better on overcommitting, undercommitting. Most of the times, the teams are overcommitting than they're undercommitting. Make a priority of the things that you will start, like what you say that you will achieve on Monday. Make sure it's on top of the list. The things for Thursday will come under, and so on. You can even go ahead and assign responsible for the first subtasks. You don't need to assign subtasks to everyone in this planning meeting, because as the week goes and you will learn more of changes or how to adjust, some things may take longer, some things may take less, and you want to have this flexibility inside your marketing team that everyone can step in and help so you can achieve your weekly objectives. And if you see that it's too much, you can take things out, but watch out to don't take things that are related to your strategic objective. And congratulations, you have your first planning. I look forward to see how your week goes. Please either comment down below, tell me how your planning session went, what are your questions. I would love to learn more about your experience. And of course, if you have questions for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week with a new video.